Scented candles and air fresheners. We buy them to make our homes smell like a luxury spa, but the reality is much darker. Most commercial air fresheners and scented candles rely on synthetic fragrances. These products release hazardous volatile organic compounds, including benzene and formaldehyde, directly into the air you breathe. In a sealed, air-conditioned room, burning these candles regularly creates a toxic smog that coats your lungs and disrupts your endocrine system. You aren't cleaning the air, you are chemicalizing it. Number 9. Scratched non-stick cookware. Teflon made cooking easy, but a single scratch on a non-stick pan can release millions of microplastics and toxic chemicals into your food. These pans contain PFAS, heavily researched substances known as forever chemicals, because they never fully break down in your body or the environment. When heated to high temperatures, or when the coating begins to flake, these chemicals migrate into your meals, storing themselves in your liver and kidneys over time. Number 8. Chemical laundry detergents and dryer sheets. The fresh scent on your clean clothes might be hiding a dangerous secret. Many popular laundry detergents contain a chemical byproduct called 1,4-dioxane, a known animal carcinogen that easily penetrates human skin. When you use dryer sheets, you are coating your clothes in a thin layer of synthetic toxins that rub against your skin all day and gas off into your home when heated by your dryer. Number 7. Vinyl shower curtains and flooring. That distinct plastic smell of a brand new shower curtain is actually the scent of chemical off-gassing. Many of these products are made from PVC, which utilizes flexible chemicals called phthalates. When exposed to the hot steam of your morning shower, these curtains release toxic vapors into an enclosed space, where you inhale them deeply into your lungs. Number 6. Anti-bacterial soaps and cosmetics. For years, companies marketed antibacterial soaps as a health necessity. However, many contained Triclosan, a chemical agent that disrupts thyroid hormones and has been linked to tumor growth in laboratory studies. While banned in some hand soaps, variations of these toxic preservatives are still found in everyday cosmetics, shampoos, and lotions that millions of Americans apply directly to their skin every morning. Number 5. Synthetic couches and mattresses. Your favorite spot to relax might be exposing you to industrial toxins. To meet strict fire safety regulations, many furniture manufacturers treat foam cushions, couches, and mattresses with chemical flame retardants. As the foam ages, it breaks down into microscopic dust particles that float around your living room. You inhale this dust daily, unknowingly introducing endocrine-disrupting chemicals into your bloodstream. Number 4. Thermal cash receipts. Every time you say yes to a receipt at the grocery store or gas station, you are handling a toxic substance. Most thermal paper is coated with a shiny layer of BPA or BPS. These chemicals are highly absorbable through the skin, especially if your hands are wet or you have just used hand sanitizer. These compounds mimic estrogen in the human body, causing hormonal imbalances that can lead to long-term health complications. Number 3. Plastic food containers. Heating up your lunch in a plastic container is one of the fastest ways to contaminate your food. Even if a container claims to be microwave safe, that simply means the plastic won't melt in the machine. It does not stop the plastic from leaching endocrine-disrupting chemicals directly into your hot food. Over time, eating out of heated plastic causes a toxic buildup that your immune system has to fight daily. Number 2. Fast fashion and synthetic clothing. The rise of cheap, mass-produced clothing has brought a hidden environmental and health crisis into our closets. Many cheap synthetic fabrics are treated with heavy metals, formaldehyde, and stain-resistant chemicals to survive long shipping journeys without molding. Wearing these unwashed garments directly against your skin allows your pores to absorb industrial dyes and toxins all day long. Number 1. Radon gas in the basement. The absolute most dangerous carcinogen in the modern home cannot be seen, smelled, or tasted. Radon is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that leaks out of the soil and enters homes through tiny cracks in the foundation. It is officially the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States, responsible for over 21,000 deaths every single year. Millions of Americans are breathing in this radioactive gas in their basements and living rooms without ever knowing it exists. The modern world is filled with invisible enemies, but awareness is your best line of defense. Replacing toxic plastics, switching to natural fragrances, and testing your home for radon can completely alter your health trajectory. Which of these hidden household dangers surprised you the most? Take a look around your living spaces and let us know in the comments below. To keep protecting your family from the invisible hazards of modern life, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your health is your ultimate wealth. See you in the next video.